Certain companies make headlines more often than others in the world of technology and investing, especially when a big player makes a move. One of these companies, Broadcom Inc., ticker AVGO, has been on the radar recently after none other than Nancy Pelosi, a well-known and often closely followed figure in the stock market, made a significant investment in it. This action sparked a wave of speculation among investors. Could Broadcom be the next Nvidia? What potential does it hold in the ever-evolving semiconductor industry? In this video, we'll explore what Broadcom does, the impact of Nancy Pelosi's buy, and why some investors ask if AVGO is on the path to becoming the next Nvidia. We'll dive into what these two giants bring to the table regarding technological advancements, market positions, and future potential. To understand why Broadcom is grabbing attention, let's first break down who they are. Broadcom is a global technology company that designs, develops, and supplies a broad range of semiconductor and infrastructure software solutions. Their products are used in a wide variety of industries, including data centers, broadband, telecoms, industrial automation, and consumer electronics. If you've ever used a smartphone, connected to Wi-Fi, or even surfed the web, there's a good chance Broadcom technology has played a role. Semiconductor solutions. Broadcom is one of the largest suppliers of semiconductor chips, which power everything from smartphones to data centers. Software infrastructure. Recently, Broadcom has also expanded into infrastructure software, especially with its acquisition of CA Technologies and Symantec's enterprise security business. This dual focus on hardware and software gives Broadcom a unique position in the tech market. It's not just a chip maker, it's a technology provider that can touch nearly every part of the digital world, making it a versatile player. Now let's address why the stock market cares so much when someone like Nancy Pelosi invests in a company like Broadcom. Pelosi, aside from being a prominent political figure, is also well known in investing circles. While there are no official confirmations that she or her husband, Paul Pelosi, have insider knowledge, some traders believe that their stock trades may provide clues to potential market movements. In fact, the Pelosi tracker is a term used among some retail traders who keep an eye on her disclosures. Recently, Nancy Pelosi disclosed a significant buy of Broadcom stock. This action raised many eyebrows, especially considering the size of the purchase and the timing amid growing interest in AI and semiconductor industries. It also sparked renewed conversations about Broadcom's potential to follow in the footsteps of Nvidia, a company that has seen monumental growth due to its innovations in artificial intelligence and machine learning. But the question remains, is Broadcom really on the path to become the next Nvidia, or is this a different type of play? Let's compare Broadcom, AVGO, to Nvidia, NVDA, to see if AVGO has what it takes to compete or even surpass Nvidia's dominant position in certain markets. Nvidia is known primarily for its graphics processing units, GPUs, which have become crucial for gaming, artificial intelligence, and more recently, for powering AI-driven data centers. Nvidia's GPUs are widely regarded as the best for AI and machine learning, which is one of the fastest-growing areas in technology today. The company has been a pioneer in developing AI hardware and software platforms, making it a key player in sectors like autonomous vehicles, healthcare, and even supercomputing. Broadcom's strengths. Unlike Nvidia, Broadcom's strength lies in its diversity. Broadcom's products are essential for various industries, from communications to data centers, making it more of a jack-of-all-trades in technology infrastructure. Broadcom is also a leader in custom chips for companies like Apple, where it plays a critical role in developing connectivity solutions like Bluetooth and Wi-Fi chips. In contrast to Nvidia, Broadcom's strategy also includes aggressive mergers and acquisitions. By buying companies like CA Technologies and Symantec, Broadcom is trying to build a robust software infrastructure business that complements its semiconductor solutions. The key difference between Nvidia and Broadcom is their core focus. Nvidia has centered its future on AI, while Broadcom focuses on broader tech infrastructure. That's not to say that Broadcom is absent from the AI conversation, but it approaches AI from a different angle, focusing on the essential technology backbone that makes innovations like AI possible. So, where does this speculation that Broadcom could be the next Nvidia come from? Exposure to AI growth. While Nvidia is at the forefront of AI hardware development, Broadcom is positioned to benefit from the broader adoption of AI. AI systems need infrastructure, data centers, and fast, reliable communication. Broadcom's chips and software solutions are key components in these systems. The rollout of 5G and the continued expansion of cloud computing are areas where Broadcom stands to grow. Data centers and cloud data centers are the lifeblood of AI applications, and Broadcom is a major supplier of components to these centers. From networking chips to storage solutions, Broadcom's technology is essential for running the vast amounts of data needed for AI training and processing. As AI and machine learning become more integral to business operations, demand for Broadcom's products is expected to rise. Broadcom has grown inorganically through a series of well-timed acquisitions. The company is diversifying its revenue streams beyond semiconductors into software, positioning itself to take advantage of broader trends in digital transformation. Acquiring Symantec's enterprise security business, for example, positions Broadcom as a player in the fast-growing cybersecurity market, which is another critical area for AI adoption. 5G adoption. Broadcom has a strong presence in 5G, which is the backbone of modern wireless communication. As more devices become connected and demand for fast, reliable data transmission grows, Broadcom stands to benefit massively. AI applications, particularly in industries like autonomous vehicles and IoT, depend heavily on 5G, giving Broadcom another avenue to capitalize on AI growth. Of course, no company is without its risks and challenges. Broadcom, while strong, faces several headwinds. The semiconductor industry is highly competitive, with companies like Intel, AMD, and Qualcomm also vying for market share. Nvidia's dominance in AI hardware puts pressure on Broadcom to differentiate its AI-related offerings. While Broadcom's aggressive acquisition strategy has been fruitful so far, it's not without risks. Integrating large companies can be complex and may lead to operational inefficiencies if not done carefully. Broadcom's acquisitions also mean a higher debt load, which can be a concern for investors if these deals don't produce the expected returns. The semiconductor industry is deeply affected by geopolitical issues, particularly between the US and China. Broadcom's business could be impacted if tensions escalate, leading to export restrictions or supply chain disruptions. Nancy Pelosi's investment in Broadcom has certainly caused a stir, but should you follow suit? There's no doubt that Broadcom is a strong player in the tech space. Its diversified portfolio, exposure to AI growth, and leadership in key industries like 5G make it a compelling choice for long-term investors. However, it's essential to consider that Broadcom is not Nvidia. While Nvidia is a pure-play AI investment, Broadcom is more of an infrastructure bet. If you believe in the continued growth of AI, cloud computing, 5G, and digital transformation, Broadcom is well-positioned to benefit. But it's important to understand that Broadcom's growth trajectory may be steadier and less explosive than Nvidia's, which has seen rapid gains due to its focus on AI. In conclusion, while Broadcom may not be the next Nvidia in terms of AI dominance, it certainly has the potential to play a crucial role in the tech landscape moving forward. Nancy Pelosi's significant investment in Broadcom suggests that influential figures are noticing its long-term potential. With its broad portfolio, exposure to critical industries, and a solid track record of growth, Broadcom remains a strong contender in the technology sector. Whether or not it can achieve Nvidia-level gains is yet to be seen, but Broadcom is certainly a company worth watching, especially as the digital world continues to expand. If you're looking for a tech stock with diverse exposure and the potential to benefit from various trends, Broadcom might just be the one. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments if you think AVGO is the next Nvidia, or if you're investing elsewhere in the tech space.